Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. Today we're driving the all-new Suzuki Ertiga. Let's see what this updated 7-seater is all about. The Suzuki Ertiga comes with a 1.5 litre petrol unit that pushes out 77 kilowatts and 138 Nm of torque. Now that doesn't sound like much, but this is a 7-seater, so it does get it along quite nicely. The gearbox is very smooth, which I quite like, and the fuel consumption is 5.5 litres per 100 kilometers. Now that's really good, as I've managed to get 600 kilometers out of this tank. On the inside, you won't find a conventional infotainment system, but instead this funny contraption where to access your settings and various media options, you have to hold the radio channel buttons down, which is extremely irritating when you keep in mind that Suzuki already have a touchscreen infotainment system that works properly, as shown in the Jimny and Swift videos that we made. Now, the reason for this could bring up the cost, but I would rather pay a little bit extra to have the unit in the Jimny and the Swift than what we have here in the Ertiga. It's just not very ergonomic. Other features in the car include a multifunctional steering wheel, electric windows, parking sensors, as well as an aircon that runs through the cup holders to keep your drinks cool or warm. The space in the back is quite good, as you would expect for a 7-seater. I mean, you've got an armrest over here, you've got a 12-volt socket over here to charge your phone if you want to, and you've even got an overhead aircon unit that you can operate yourself if you so wish. With the Ertiga being a 7-seater, you aren't going to be short of boot space with 153 litres as is, but if you want to have more, just lift these panels over here for 199 litres. But if that isn't enough, all you have to do is just lower these two seats and you've got endless space. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.